snowstorm. What did that lady just give you? Money. Show mommy. Can I see? Wow, that was so nice. Did you tell her thank you?
Thank you.
Yeah. You're so sweet, buddy.
Thanks, boss.
I'm mad at whoever told them no. So, this elderly couple just was in Starbucks.
Wait, back it up.
Okay, you tell us.
Where we were plowing the parking lot,
Yes.
and these two old people started walking up the parking lot, and I'm like, look at these people out for a walk in a snowstorm. They see two old people. They must be bored over to the hotel across the street. So they must be coming over to Starbucks for a coffee or something.
Yeah, sure.
Turns out that they got the cab dropped off to the wrong hotel. They were supposed to be one like half kilometer up the road.
Mm-hmm.
So they walked in there to see if they could get a ride. And there's a fella in there getting his tall grande cafe. He was too good for them, wouldn't give a ride.
That's a
Yes,
sin.
yes.
This elderly couple, it is a blizzard outside, and they're asking you for a ride across the street because they're not from here and they need help. And they're in here because he had to go to the hospital. Like, he's not able to walk across the street in a blizzard. And dude tells them no.
Just had a good person around.
Yeah, you're sweet, buddy. That was really nice. But, like, I'm actually mad at whoever just told them no. Like, I want to go find them and be like, you, sir,
Smack on the hand.
are
Smack on the hand.
Anyways, and then the nice lady, I sat back between her and Nixon because, you know. But what did she give you?
Money.
Money. That was nice of her. She didn't have to do that. Mommy told her not to do that. But
Not to do that.
not to do that. Mommy said you do not need to do that.
Blizzard's taking me out the window.
This is normal. I love you.
Love you, bro.
Okay.
Peace. You ready? Whoa, come right back. We're busted. We're busted.
What's it like out there now?
Sunny. 8
Haha.
degrees.
Second.
This one.
Get it. And get it.
You can't get it? We gotta fold it up and put it in there, honey.
Just a little.
Mommy help you? Here. Fold it up. Oh, okay. It's not gonna go in, but you know what? I think we're gonna go to the bank tomorrow and put all Nixon's money in his account anyway.
I don't know what kind of rose that is, but
Let me see.
What's me?
Oh, that's really good, Daddy. Show Nixon.
that's not real good. This
Daddy, look.
really
Or
cruddy.
Nixon.
Look, Dad's rose.
Look what Daddy made.
Hose.
A rose.
Is it cool or is it just eh?
Daddy. I go. Daddy drive.
What's Daddy driving?
I go.
The backhoe? Or is it the loader?